Hey jewelry lovers, it's Helga. Today let's create a beautiful bracelet stacked together. I'll show you how to make 3 pieces, a classic daisy bracelet, a pearl one, and a dainty gold chain. For the floral bracelet you'll need 2 wire guardians, 2 jump rings, and a lobster clasp with an extender chain. I'm using everything in gold. You'll also need 4mm white glass rondelles and 2 sizes of gold Miyuki round seed beads, sizes 8/0 and 11/0. Make sure to get the permanent finish coating so they stay shiny. I'll be weaving this on 0.22mm clear fishing line. Go ahead and cut about 51 inches, 130 centimeters of line. I'll start the pattern using black line on camera, so it's easier for you to follow. First, thread through the wire guardian. This is what we'll use later to attach our clasp. Center the guardian and bring the ends of the line together so they're even. String one white bead and cross the other end through it. Pull it tight to the center. For extra strength, I'll loop through the wire guardian one more time and bring the line back through that same bead in the same direction. Now on the left side, string 2 white beads and one 80 gold bead. You can call this the big Miyuki. On the right side, string 2 white beads. Take the right end and thread it upwards through the big gold bead. Now take that same right end and thread it up through the 2 white beads on the right. Take the left end and thread it up through the 2 white beads on the left. Pull everything nice and tight. Cross both ends through one new white bead. And there's our first flower. Now let's transition to the next flower. On the left line, string 1 small gold bead and 1 white rondelle. On the right line, add 1 small gold bead. Take the right end and cross through the white bead to lock it in. Now repeat the flower pattern. On the left line, string 2 white beads and 1 large gold seed bead. I'm using an 80 big Miyuki. On the right line, add 2 white beads. Take the right end and thread it upwards through that large gold bead. Now take the right end and weave it up through the 2 white beads on the right side. Then, take the left end and thread it up through the 2 white beads on the left. Give it a nice firm pull to secure the shape. Cross both ends through one new white bead. And just like that, we have our second flower ready. On the left line, String one small gold bead and one white rondelle. On the right line, add one small gold bead. Take the right end and cross through the white bead to lock it in. Keep repeating this pattern until you reach your desired length. This is how it looks with the clear line. I'll continue with the clear one now. I made 12 flowers for my size. Now, on the other end, add another wire guardian. Secure it by looping through twice. To finish the line, weave it back through the white beads in a circle and tie 2 or 3 knots. Hide the knot inside a bead and snip off the excess. All that's left is the hardware. I'm attaching the extender chain on one side and the lobster clasp on the other. Our daisy bracelet is done. Now let's make the pearl bracelet. For this one we need beading wire. I'm using a standard 0.3 mm 7-strand wire. Cut about 12 inches, 30 centimeters of wire. I'm using these beautiful freshwater pearls in different sizes. Start by sliding a wire guardian onto the beading wire. Loop it through once and leave a small tail. You'll also need 2 crimp tubes. Slide a crimp tube over both ends of the wire. Bringing it right up against the guardian. Flatten the crimp with your pliers to lock everything in place. String your pearls, hiding the short tail of the wire inside the first few beads. Continue until the bracelet is the length you want. Just remember to leave a little space for the clasp. At the end, string another crimp tube and a wire guardian. Loop the wire back through the crimp and into as many pearls as you can. Pull everything tight, flatten the crimp, and snip the extra wire. I'm adding a magnetic clasp to this one. Bracelet number 2 is ready. Finally, let's make the third one. It's the quickest. Take a thin gold chain and simply add your jump rings and a magnetic clasp. And here's our finished set. It looks absolutely incredible on the wrist. Let me know in the comments what I should make next.